To start the mapping process, press the emergency button and place the robot on the charging station to locate its origin point. Then, release the emergency button. For mapping the robot first, open the RI Cleaning app, where you will find the robot you want to map. Tap on the 3 dots next to the serial number, then select More, and afterwards tap Open Wi-Fi. The next step is to connect to the robot's network, QI, serial number. Then open the RI Mapping app. Now, wait for Server Connected to appear in the top left corner, then go to the mapping window. From here, we can adjust the robot's forward speed and rotation speed. It's preferable to keep these slower for accurate zone scanning. You can also set the map name and the floor number. The next step is to press Start, and now we wait for the robot to be ready for mapping. Once Mapping Now appears, we can move the robot to allow it to scan the desired area. Finally, press Stop Save, and the map is now saved.